Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I'm just nibbling on some bread that I baked in the Sassafras La Cloche. I'm just a beginner baker, but I'm so pleased with the outcome that I had, both with baking sourdough and just a rustic white loaf. If you have never baked bread in bell-shaped stoneware before, then you are really missing out on an authentic feel and bake to bread. The reason that this shape was in use for centuries is because it is so good for maintaining even heat throughout the bake. There have been many imitations of this stoneware on the market, but this is the original one. So you definitely don't want the copycats, you want this one from Sassafras. The stoneware itself is so beautiful, and I really love how it's starting to change color as I'm using it, which is totally normal. I did season it before its first use with just a little bit of olive oil, and then you can see that it's starting to turn into a deeper color, and that'll just continue as I use it. I'm just using mine to bake bread, but you can use it for other things like meat dishes or even baking pies, which I think is amazing. I do have to warn you, if you start baking bread in this original Sassafras La Cloche, you're never going to stop and you're just going to eat bread all day like I've been doing. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.